Hey, you working? Hey, top of the early morning to you. What time is it? 6:43. I can't believe it. We're leaving early. Let's ride to Dale's Gap. And we're in that Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel, TBB and N Doors channel. Hey, welcome back to the TBB and Doors channel. I said it right the first time. That's the blue bike, that's the black bike, and Doors channel. It could be the blue bike, and today we on Lucille. This could be, you know, I should have put a jacket on, wear my new gloves. So we headed up to Dale's Gap, Robertson, North Carolina, and be the blue between the tails of Dragon and all for a little R&R after our long trip last week. Come back, work a week, and take off, and then take off again for a long weekend. Yeah, buddy, it is 58 degrees, but it don't feel like it. Now I'm thinking, well, I did not get a jacket because it might be a little cool up there in the mountain, you think? Yeah, maybe so. Maybe I should put the other gloves on. Oh, I don't have heated grips on Lucille. Lucille's down and dirty hot rod, you know. Sport bagger. What they call them, performance bagger. That's it. Anyway, so we meeting up with a Blak ICE at 10:30 or so. Maybe they had a schedule. They hadn't left yet. Maybe they meeting up right about now. He probably had left his house. They gonna meet up at 6 o'clock, which is 5 o'clock our time, because they're an hour behind us. So it'll be 6 o'clock our time. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. You worked on the first time. How your mama and them? I didn't say that much last week. How your mama and them? I should ask, how's Ken doing? The heart, God, oh, woo, chicken house smells right this morning. Hey, over there, over there, out that road we fixing to pass on the behind me. Oh, right about now, behind us, right there. See that road? What am I talking about? Yeah. I should have put on a bigger jacket. My arms are a little nippy. I got my Smoky Mountain liner on. It's going to warm up pretty quick, though. 50. Oh, it says it's 52 now. Lucille's got acclimated. It was warmer in the shed, I guess. No wonder I'm nippy. Nippy. Alright, I guess everybody's ready now. Finally got here at 11:30, an hour half behind, but anyway, we all good. It's all good. You see that lug nut there? You see that lug nut? Yes. So I think it's like 45 miles up here to our turnoff to 72, and then another 12 miles into that. So whatever, yeah. Oh, running through the jungle. Some CCR there for you. We're about 12 miles from the US 129 Harley-Davidson shirt shop. I said shirt, not sheriff shop. Anyway, we're going to stop there and put a sticker on the pole and check our cameras and get everybody get their cameras put on, because we'll be on the, we'll be quite there to start the tail of the Dragon. I enjoy this part right here, just cruising down through here by the water, watching these being fish. Catch any? Nah, I didn't catch any. Just getting started. Probably not. Probably did. Oh, a lot of people down here. A lot of people. Yeah. How y'all doing? I got a sweet spot squat, I don't know. Alright, keep recording. This is some traveling tall bunch. I want a TD 205s around here. Alright, he says he's ready. Yeah, old traveling tall bunch. I forgot they were just that weekend. I was thinking it was this weekend. Forgot all about it. Yeah, buddy. So we got like 18 miles to get over to Deals Gap. 9 miles before we really start the dragging. We got really 3 more miles for the start of the Tallulah Dragon. This is just a nice scenic ride. Share a holler. This is, I don't know, it's 129, but it's not really technically the tail of the Dragon yet. That's it. No vehicle and RV over 30 feet past this point. Well, actually, you gotta come up here. You can turn around right here. There it comes, high crash area, next 11 miles. Can't read it for all the stickers. I'm gonna start that right now, and I'm not stopping it until we get to Deals Gap, so I can be on best behavior next 11 miles, high crash area. I'll start that right now, and I'm not stopping it until we get to Deals Gap, so I can sneaky. He's hiding there. That's the sheriff. How you doing, Sheriff of Blount County? Right here's where that lady from that Buffalo Soldier went down that hill 30 feet. She came around this curve and whoop, right down through there. It was good. Stop this one. Somebody wrecked there, it looked like. Big motor mama. Oh. Hey, he is. Thought we lost you there for a minute. I can't. Alright, we're rolling out. I think everybody's ready. I said they was. Ooh, what is that, a javelin? Oh, what is that? A green car coming up here. Ooh, little doggy. That cannon, that bike's from, what is that? Oh, it's a Cougar, ain't it? It's a Cougar. Down the mountain we go, 21 miles, and we'll be at Two Wheelsing, and Ron probably sitting there waiting on us. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting hungry. You know what happens when I get hungry? I get hangry. Oh, me. The Graham, let's do it for the Graham. That's the motel, the Graham, huh? What it says, now open, the Graham Hotel. Book directly to the thegrahammotel.com. The Graham, 8 rooms. Used to be a breakfast place right there, but they closed. Make sure I look at the right thing. How you doing, buddy? Tenths of a mile. Ooh, that's a bunch of bikers. These are some of the ones we talked to. Yeah, that we remember y'all. They from Savannah, Valdosta, Georgia. We talked to them at Deals Gap. Alright, we coming up on 2 wheels in. I guess I'm gonna put this in here and then show you that part later. Where's it at? Maybe it's on down here. Have we passed it? I don't think so. Nope, we ain't passed it. I see it. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Is it a squirrel? What is that? Yep, a squirrel with no tail wasn't flopping. I didn't know what that was. It was a squirrel. Like he must got hit by a car or something. Where's this place at? Right here. I see it. They need a bigger sign. 2 wheels in. Runs in that one over there. Way down here. There's a Racker. We just seen them. Wee! Wee! How you doing, old man? They did, no, they didn't. Wee! Oh, the light comes on too. It's loud in here. Cut that off. That makes too much noise. Oh, she gets her own garage. Oh, hey, how y'all doing? We this is our room for 2 nights here at the 2 Wheels Inn. So can somebody tell me what that is? Is it a go-kart or a motorcycle or a trike? I don't know what it is. Got air conditioning. Y'all know me. That's the John who got a portable power, you know, nice for 2 Wheels In for $125 a night, $100. I don't know what we paid, to be honest with you, till we see the ticket. This don't work. I tried to turn it on, but it don't work. There's everybody outside. That's Ron, Chestnut Mountain Tin Man, you know. Let's see, we can't shut these things. So we gotta don't pull the door all the way.
And he goes, okay.
Where you going, X?
I tried to give you a manager.
You mad? Oh, tennis court. Is it part of it? Oh, yeah, that's what I fixed to say. It was a restaurant. Oh, yeah. We eat there one night, and it was like a steakhouse. It was nice. So, if you would, go check out that video there. Look at the mountain. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you tomorrow when we're at Char Holler. Wait, Blak ICE.